Hi guys, Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and we are going to make a chocolate banana keto cake. And yes, it's keto, trust me, okay? So what I got here is about a quarter of a banana. I'm gonna smash it up. See that? Okay. So I got my smashed banana, and then I'm gonna add a quarter cup of egg whites to it and a quarter teaspoon banana extract. Sorry about that, I thought I had it. Just a quarter teaspoon, okay guys? I don't like to use a lot of banana, so that's why I do a quarter of banana and banana extract. You guys all know banana is high in carbs, but if you only use a quarter of a banana, you're only talking about 4 carbs or something like that, okay? One banana is about 24 carbs. Now I'm gonna add the Greek yogurt. And this is optional. I like to add coconut milk to it because I feel like coconut milk is a healthy fat. It's not very fattening. It's half the fat, half the calories of heavy whipping cream, but it gives it that rich brownie flavor. It gives it a richness to it, okay? That's what's so good about it. And then we're gonna add a serving of the Chocolate Lovers cake mix. We're gonna mix all this and we're gonna microwave this 2.5 minutes. Okay guys? And when we come back, you'll have a delicious chocolate banana cake. Okay guys? I'm not gonna make you guys stick around for me while I microwave this, but if 2.5 minutes wasn't enough, I'll put in the description how long to microwave it for, but 2.5 minutes should be plenty. If you're scared, go 3 minutes, okay guys? I'm just gonna microwave this, but you guys come visit us. We're in the Davison Farmers Market. We're here Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. And if you don't live nearby, go on HealthyTreatsMarket.com and be sure to look up more recipes like this. Thanks for watching. God bless you.